Okay, this is part 2 in a 3-part video of servicing a Mira 915 valve. We're about to service the flow cartridge. This is the flow cartridge, and so we're going to start servicing it. So now, first thing we need to do is to set out the service kit. And I've done the most difficult bit, bursting my way into the plastic bag. And now Mira usefully, in all of their service kits, give you a sort of photocopied image, and what you need to do is pop all the O-rings onto this piece of paper, onto the photocopy, if you can get them out of the bag, and then just match the O-rings with the O-rings on the paper. So this may take a minute or two to do. Some of them are very, very close in size, so they're not always straightforward, just to make sure you get the right ones in the right place every time. Here we go. So that's it, and all of the O-rings correspond to a position on the actual cartridge itself. So the next thing we need to do, now we've got these done, is to strip the cartridge apart. Now this is a left-hand thread here. Be very careful how you handle this because it's easy to damage. The brass is quite soft, but there we go. So this comes apart like that, and the piston comes out usually reasonably easily, and there we've got all of the O-rings in here. So it's really just a case of going over these one by one and replacing the O-rings one by one. So the first O-ring we want to do, we'll do this section first. So that's O-ring A. So you need something pointy to that just to pull these off. A, O-ring A is on here, like so. B, I presume, yep. B. This goes on there. Oops. So, and C. Move this one. Oops, that one's come out. I think I'll have to resize that. I think I've got the ones the wrong way around here. See, it's quite difficult to size these correctly. I think that's C there actually. It's really a case of just taking your time as you do this, that's better. Trying to get these done as quickly as possible. And that's that section completely done with new O-rings. And so we'll now do this piston arrangement here. It pops down into there, and so that's these, and then finally this large washer on here, and that goes on like that, and that's it ready. So all we've got to do is some grease on them now and reassemble them. So 90 grease on there, and on this thread here which fits inside here. Oops. Nicely greased. Some here, and that goes in here like that, and then this bit goes on here. Oh, did I grease these washers? Yes, I did. So make sure I get that straight. Oops, wrong way. So that's it. So that's the flow cartridge rebuilt, and all we need to do is to pop it back into the valve, tighten it up, and then part 3 will be us rebuilding the temperature cartridge. That's it, nice and tight in. Once that's in place we give it a sort of final tighten, but that's the flow cartridge rebuilt.